So actually, I was able to make a flare with this thing. This piece broke here. I just put this thing back down, and you can see the little tiny finger that was in here broke off that lines it up. I just figured this piece is simply forming the pipe. It doesn't need that center finger. So I just put it back in the jig, and I used the screwdriver to level it. So I pretty much just had it on here, and I made sure it was level by putting a screwdriver in to make it level. Then I smashed it down all the way. I didn't have the pipe up the full width of this thing, so I was concerned that it wouldn't work. Anyway, that first reverse flare looks pretty good. So I'm going to raise the pipe up a little bit now, I think, and try the final flare.